Thanks for joining me today. Let me introduce myself and visapath to you. My name is Shabnam Akrami and I'm the managing partner of visapath. I've been in the immigration industry for over 12 years now. I started off quite young. I started off at the photocopying machine area where all kinds of lawyers would give me file work to photocopy. And from there I kind of worked my way up, became a legal assistant to several different lawyers, and went to school, got my degree, and long story short, I'm practicing individual now. As I said, I've been doing this for 12 years, so I've seen everything you can possibly imagine when it comes to immigration matters. I've seen good, I've seen bad, I've seen ugly. And what I've learned throughout the process is that really, so long as you really understand the client and try to persuade and present the right documents in front of the officer, that there's a quite a bright future for that client when it comes to immigration. My point is that throughout my years of experience in the immigration field, it has always been my job to kind of assist clients, no matter what my role was in the firm, to find a path, the right path, to find them ways to immigrate to Canada. And for that reason, visapath is all about that. It's focused on getting clients the right way to immigrate to Canada. And I really want it to come forward towards the clients that there is a way. We just have to find that way. And what way works best for you. Not only have I been practicing immigration law for a long time, I come from an immigrant background myself, originally from Afghanistan. You can only imagine the hurdles my parents went through when they tried to maneuver through the immigration process. One of the key things I remember growing up as my parents tried to really decipher the immigration law and try to figure this out for themselves was that help wasn't in abundance of. They would go to one lawyer or they would go to another representative, and it was always a way for the lawyer to brush them off. It wasn't really a lot of time spent on their file, and hence our own immigration file work took forever. And after many mistakes, obviously things worked out in the end, and I'm obviously a Canadian citizen now, but I learned from that and the frustration and the sleepless nights my parents went through. At that point, I was a minor and I had no idea how I could possibly help my parents, but it was an aspiration for myself that one day, hopefully, I could go into the immigration field and help clients like my parents so they don't have to go through the struggles. So immigration is a lot of paperwork, a lot of forms, a lot of arguments, a lot of nitty-gritty. And I really find it that it's my job to kind of decipher the law and to make it easy for my clients to understand. It is my job to speak to you in plain English to make you understand. And once you hire visapath, I feel responsible for the file from start to finish. In fact, I always tell my clients, even during a consultation, that once you hire visapath, it's important that you understand that you now need to let go of your stress and your sleepless nights and enjoy your time with your family and let the worry now be mine. And one of the key things that I've learned growing up as an immigrant and going through the whole process and many years of experience with different types of clients, that communication is key. And for that reason, I promise my clients that our communication will be within 24 to 48 hours. It is important that you'll get a response. Whether it's a simple, yes, I received your documents, I'm reviewing it and I'll get back to you later this week, or a thorough review of the file and giving you an update of what else is missing. Communication to you, the client, is key. This way you understand that the person you've hired is on top of your file and reviewing it. As you know, immigration processing times are constantly getting longer and longer. And so I don't want to be the one responsible for any delay. And so from the time of getting your documents or your emails, we commit to you to a response time of 24 to 48 hours. If you like VisaPath and you like what you're hearing and you're in a situation where you're struggling to maneuver through whether it's finding a path to immigrate to Canada, or you're already in the process but you're still struggling with getting the final documents, give me a call. Let me hear your case. Let me tell you how VisaPath can help you. I look forward to speaking to you. Thank you.